Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your tablet off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see XIAOMI logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. And in the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option safe mode. And after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.